Come on, bitch. Come on. Yeah, never leave. Yeah, never leave. I see what I gotta do. Cause won't be on my shit with that. Promise you. Thank you for the roses though.
This is some seriously athletic stuff. While this is a little more athletic-ish. And at Sierra, we love it all. Downward dog or dog dog. Sierra has all the brands you want at the prices that let you do it all. From athletic to athletic-ish, Sierra's got it.
Why is everyone ditching their old mattress for this one? I now understand why this viral Metro mattress has thousands
of they finna fuck up my Sunday night. Well, I'm looking this good. I think not.
Saved up to 50%. I ended up saving thousands of dollars.
Nope. See her take shots with the comments off. Sit back and watch. You ain't doing shit else. I don't got time for nothing negative. Thank you. What's your name is, baby? What's your name? Baby, what's your name is, baby? What's your name? You look like a ass. Which one of her ass? You look like a tanny. I ain't gonna lie, that pussy a good baby. I'ma let you in my family. I ain't gonna lie, I'm misunderstood, baby. Tell me you understand me. You look like a Tasha. I love you like it. Tell me you love me, you going out. Tell me where the kiss is. I can tell you miss it. You don't know what you do to me, little bitch, you look delicious. You don't know how can't fuck with you, don't know the competition. But I like your energy, little bitch, you got permission. Desperate for a response is crazy.
For a great low rate, go with the General.
Thank you. Let me come inside. Thank you. Show you what's up. Put your family or friends and co-workers against